Hello everyone, welcome to part 97 of Laravel 11 series in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will finally work on the coupon code functionality, and in this part we are going to display the coupons in admin panel. But first of all, we are going to create the coupons collection and we'll add some dummy coupons with Seeder in our MongoDB. Okay, so for the coupon code, we are going to add these features to the coupon. First one is the coupon option. Like if you want to add the manual coupon, then you are going to type the coupon code. Otherwise, if you want automatic, then the website will automatically generate the coupon. So you can generate the coupon for single, multiple, or all the categories, and you can generate the coupon for single, multiple, or all the users. So coupon type can be single or multiple. Means in single, coupon can be used just once by the user, but in multiple, coupon can be used multiple number of times by the user. So in amount type, coupon can be percentage or fixed coupon. In percentage, you are going to add the percentage like 10%, 20%, 30%. Means total amount. We are going to calculate from the total amount, like the 10% of the total amount. So that we will calculate with the percentage, but in fixed coupon, fixed amount will get reduced. Okay, like 100, 200. So it's your wish that you want to generate the coupon with percentage or fixed amount. Okay, so in expiry date, we are going to set the expiry date for the coupon. After that, the user can't able to use the coupon, and we can make the coupon active or inactive anytime. So we are going to add these features to the coupon, but first of all, we're going to add the collection, and we are going to follow the instructions that you can find under video. So these are the features that I have just explained, and now we are going to create the coupons collection. Okay, so first thing is we are going to create the coupon collection with these columns: id, coupon option, coupon code, categories, users, coupon type, amount, expiry date, status, credit, and update. Okay, so this is the command that we're going to run, that will create the migration file as well as the model. So we are going to run for our project. For Mac, we are going to right click on the folder, but in Windows, you know that you are required to go inside the folder, and then you can right click and can run your artisan commands. So but in Mac, we can simply run the command like this. So this will generate the migration file as well as the model. Okay, it has done. Okay, so now we are going to open the migration file that is just created for the coupon to create the collection, create coupons table. Okay, so we are going to add all these options that I have explained. You can align it and also open the coupon model here, that is also created, and we are going to update its model because we are going to use the MongoDB, so its model name is required to update. Okay, so after that we are going to run the php artisan migrate command so that the coupon collection gets created. So it is saying that coupon table has been created, so it's fine, it has been created. So now we can also create the coupon controller under admin as well, so that we can create all the admin functions and can add the coupon module in admin panel. Okay, so after this we are going to add few coupons with Seeder. So we are going to create the coupons table Seeder. So after creating the coupon table Seeder, we are going to open this coupon table Seeder file. Sorry. Okay, so we are going to include the coupon model to the Seeder file, and we'll also add some dummy coupon here. We're going to add these dummy coupons query here, and also we are going to add it in DatabaseSeeder. So we are going to call this coupon table Seeder like we have called earlier all the Seeder as well. And finally we are going to run this php artisan db seed command just for coupon table seeder. Okay, and we're going to run this command just for coupon table seeder, so it will create dummy coupon. So we can check in MongoDB. Okay, we're going to open the MongoDB compass, in which it must have generated the coupon collection, as well as it insert these records, okay, that we have added with seeder. So we need to wait for few seconds, as it will take few seconds to open the MongoDB compass. So in the meantime, we can continue the process and can create the route. We can show these coupons in admin panel. So we are going to add the route in admin panel. We can just minimize it, okay, and we are going to add the route for the coupon under admin group. Okay, so here we are going to add to show the coupons in admin panel. So we are going to open the coupon controller that we have created earlier. So here in coupon controller we are going to include this coupon model as well, and this is the function to show all the coupons in admin panel. So we will also work for the roles and permissions side by side. Okay, we have added the queries that is required to show. Okay, so also we are going to create this coupon.blade.php file under sources, views, admin coupon. Here we are going to create sources, views, admin. See, MongoDB is going to open shortly. Okay, no issue, we will continue admin. And then here you can see there is no coupon folder, so we are going to create coupons folder, and inside that we are going to create the coupons.blade.php file. Okay, coupons, so it has been created. Now we are going to create the file, and file name is coupons.blade.php file. Okay, so going to create this file, and in this file we are going to add this content so that we can show all the coupons here in the admin panel. Okay, so we are going to add this content, and so that we can show the coupons in admin panel. Now we can also log in into the admin panel. Here we are going to log in into the admin panel. So I'm going to open here the coupon modules, and we'll see that it is working or not. Okay, so it is showing one error that target class coupon controller does not exist, because in routes we need to add this at the top as well. Okay, so we are going to add this one here, and this one will come under admin, so we will add here the admin. So now I'm going to check once again. This time some other issue is coming, so it is asking to add the admin's role, because we are working on roles and permissions side by side. Okay, so we're going to add it like this, and now refresh once again, and now it is asking to add the auth. We are going to add it, use auth, and refresh it once again, and now the coupons are coming here. These two coupons we have added so far. Okay, we have added with seeder. You can check here, test 10 and test 20, both the coupons we have added with seeder, you can see. And also the same coupons I'm going to connect now MongoDB, and see here project 11, and we are going to see these two coupons here as well. Here is the coupons collection, and these two coupons we have added so far. Okay, so it's working fine. So after that we are going to work on this active inactive as well as the delete functionality, and for active inactive we will add its route in here web.php file as well. We are going to add its route, and this function for updating the coupon status in coupon controller, and after that this jQuery in custom.js for enabling and disabling the coupon. So we will make the status active or inactive, 1 or 0. This one we are going to add, sorry, it's in admin, so we are going to open the custom.js of admin. Okay, and we are going to add somewhere where we are updating the other module status. Okay, so here we have added, and finally we will also call the coupons data table for the coupons module, and for that we are going to update here in the admin layout. Here we are going to add it as well. Okay, so now we are going to check here, refresh here, and we'll see, and you can see now the data table has come up, the pagination, search and everything, it seems to be perfect. And now we are going to check it's for status, and it's working fine. I think I disable one of the coupon, and now I'm going to disable this one as well. I even refresh and it is updating. Okay, so the update status, we can able to update the status of the coupon via Ajax. Okay, without the refresh of the page. So you can do this at your end as well. And in the next part we are going to work on the add edit coupon functionality, add edit and delete coupon functionality, and after that we are going to apply these coupons at the front end as well. So please stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.